We're seeing a good two-way battle today in both gold and silver between bulls and bears. The technical outlook has deteriorated over the past few days, especially in silver, where we've broken some key technical levels earlier today. Gold is still holding on to its key support, the May low at 12.15, and this is basically meaning that silver's underperformance has led to the gold-silver ratio spiking higher. What we're seeing right now is, as I mentioned, the technical picture has deteriorated, but at the same time you can also say, hang on a minute, because we are seeing several geopolitical risks potentially lurking just beneath the surface. We all have been following the situation in North Korea over the past few days. We have a G20 meeting starting on Friday, which could be quite fractious, and it's going to be interesting to see where it leaves Trump and his relationship with some of the major superpowers of the other superpowers of this world. Also, the current spat in the Middle East between Qatar and some of its neighbors is also a cause for concern. So at this stage, as I mentioned, the technical outlook doesn't look great, but at the same time there are some underlying worries that has so far been attracting demand, especially for gold. So going from here, we probably need to see a test of this key support. So far we've seen it in silver. It's going to be very important to see where it's finished today. If we move back above that break, that could indicate that we are seeing underlying demand coming in, offsetting the potential selling appetite from those looking for momentum to the downside. So we have a key few days ahead of us, I think, with the underlying risk of a potential geopolitical event. Also, just taking into account that the weakness we've seen in some of the technology stocks lately, I think the selling appetite at these relatively low levels could be fading, and that could add some support to the market.